I am not a designer, but I just turned a single prompt into this full ad using GPT Image 2 on JXP. I can even edit the image text and change the language directly inside the image. This is actually crazy, right? So in this video, I'm gonna share you my exact workflow by which you can create these type of advertisements in just few minutes for any of your products. Let's get started. Now, to actually create these, I am using a platform called JXP. Inside this, you get access to different AI tools, and for this video, I am using GPT Image 2, which is focused on generating high quality images for things like ads, posters, and product creatives. Now, you might be thinking, why not just use ChatGPT for this? And yes, you can generate image there, but the difference is this platform is built for production workflows. It's much easier to create multiple variations, test different styles, and generate visuals that are actually usable for branding and ad creators. You also get better control over how your images are generated, especially when it comes to composition, styling, and even text inside the image, which is something most AI struggle with. So instead of just generating random images, this feel like more proper tool for creating visual content. Now let me show you how I'm actually generating this ad using a simple framework. Well, as we all know, the more structured your prompts are, the more refined your output will be. And for this, I have created an AI prompt framework, which we are going to use in this video. So as you can see, the step one and step two, you have to paste the prompt continuously. And just in the step two, you have to write the product name here. That is it. And after clicking on enter, you will get an final prompt from the chat GPT, and after that you have to paste this step 3 prompt. So I'll show you how you can use this in the workflow. So according to our framework, what we'll do is, this is our main prompt. What we'll do is, we'll just copy and paste it on the chat GPT. Now in this main prompt, you can see the boxes. We have to fill that description here. So what I have done is, you don't even have to type it manually. For that, I have generated the second prompt. Just you have to write your product name here. Okay, and what this prompt will do, this will just extract all the information which is necessary for this prompt to fill by the product name. And after that, after extracting everything, this second prompt will fill all the information in this prompt, and then you will get your desired outcome. Okay, so I have done this. So you can see, finally we have got our whole prompt. So what we will do is, finally we have completed with the step 1 and step 2, and now simply you have to copy the third part. And after copying, what you have to do, after copying, you have to again paste it here, and then you have to again click on enter, and then wait for your final desired outcome. Okay, so as you can see, finally we have got our prompt, but this is so big, so big. So of course we can't write this much prompt here. So what we'll do is, we'll just take a screenshot of this, and we will tell ChatGPT that we have to feed this prompt here. So by this, ChatGPT will get an idea that how much short the prompt shall be. And as you can see, finally we have uploaded the image here. You too have to upload that screenshot, and then this is the final prompt. Yes, you're right, this is the final prompt which will be going in the OpenAI ChatGPT Image 2 JXP, and by this we will get a desired outcome. Now you might be thinking that this process is kinda lengthy, but trust me, your outcome will be mind-blowing and insane. So after pasting this here, just click on any of the ratio you wanna and click on generate image, and then here you go. This is our desired outcome. Just have a look at this. This is the reason we have to follow this particular prompt structure to get this much refined output. We are done with our base image. Now it's time to add the text on the image. So what we'll do is simply switch on this edit option just near to text to the image feature, and then you have to simply add this image in this field, and then just a single line prompt, add the text on this about image, making it look like a real commercial. That is it. You can add any of the prompt you wanna, just a single line, and just telling him to add the text on it. And now I'll show you the real magic, the real power of this tool. I have selected the quantity as high. Already it has started creating the image, and this is the final outcome. Just look at this. This is the final outcome. And now this is something by which this AI tool is so powerful. And you can check the prompt. I have told him to just change the language of this text in Hindi. You can see the outcome. You will not even find 0.1% error in the text, which the AI models used to do it before. And this is the accuracy of this. And I really want you to try this out by yourself. Link is in the description. Till that time, we'll meet in the next video.